How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So, what we are going to read today? Today we are going to read about Science Olympiad, that is of class 5. Okay, so here we are going to start a new chapter. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter, that is animals. Okay, and we are just going to start this chapter where we are going to explore more about the animals, right? Yes, so are you all ready for it? Okay, so let's start. What is the first question here? The first question here, that is, the organism given below are similar as they all. Option A, crawl. B, fly. C, eat insects. D, take care of their young ones. Okay, so here we have some organisms, right? So there is a mosquito, there is a bird, there is a grasshopper. So among them, which is the property which is similar in all of them? Yes. Do they crawl? Do they crawl? No, they do not crawl. Do they fly? Yes, they fly. They eat insects? No. Take care of their young ones? No. So here, what is the correct option? The correct option is option B, fly. The organisms given below, they are having only one property, the similar property, that is they fly. Right? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Okay, so here animal name is given, the outer covering is given. We have to find out the incorrectly matched pair, right? Polar bear fur, then leopard feather, turtle sail, snake scales. Okay, so polar bear, they have fur. Yes, it is correct. Leopard, do they possess feather? No, they do not. Turtle, they possess shell. Yes. Snake, they possess scales. Yes. So, which one is incorrectly matched? That is leopard. They do not have feather. Right. So, option B is the correct option. Got it, everyone? Yes. So, what is our next question? Which of the following animals breathe through gills? So we have certain animals, right? You know the names? Yes. So which of the animals breathe through gills? Can anyone say? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Yes. Fish, they breathe through gills. Prawn, they also breathe through gills. Right? So what is the answer? That is only B and C. And where it is present? Yes, it is present in option 3. That is only B and C. Got it, everyone? Next. What is the adaptation by which a grasshopper protects itself from being eaten by its predator? So grasshopper, it possesses something, okay, means it has to protect itself from the predator, right? So what is the adaptation which it adapts? So the options given are A, it tastes bad. B, it can hop away quickly. C, it can camouflage itself in the grass. D, it has a poisonous sting. Okay, so what is the answer? Yes, can anyone say? The correct answer is option C, that is it can camouflage itself in the grass, right? Okay, so let's move to the next question. Some animals have structural adaptation to mimic objects found in their environment. Which of the following can change its color to match the surrounding? So some animals, what they do, they have structural adaptation to mimic objects, okay, and that they found in their environment. So which of the following can change its color to match the surrounding? Yes, what do you think? What should be the answer? Yes, yes, that is the chameleon, right? Yes. So here chameleon is the correct answer. Next is, animals use different methods to escape from their predators. Which one of the following is not true? Option A, the lizard sheds a wriggling tail to distract the enemy. Option B, the grasshopper has powerful hind legs to hop away quickly. Option C, crocodiles, lizards and turtles use their legs to crawl on the ground. Option D, a snake and worm use their legs to crawl on the ground. So we know that animals, yes, they use different methods. They use different methods to escape from their predators. So what they do? The lizard sets a wriggling tail to distract the enemy. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. You may have noticed it, right? Next, the grasshopper has powerful hind legs to hop away quickly. Yes, this one is also correct. Next is option C. Crocodiles, lizards and turtle use their legs to crawl on the ground. Yes, this one is also correct. A snake and worm use their legs to crawl on the ground. Is it true? Do they possess legs? Yes. Do snakes and worms possess legs? No, they do not possess leg. So how will they use their leg to crawl on the ground? Right? So here the correct option is option D. Got it? Next. Given below are adaptations that allow aquatic animals to move easily in water. Okay. A streamlined body. B. Breathing tubes. C. Webbed feet. D. Gills. E. fins. So, which of the above help aquatic animals to move easily in the water? Which of the above help aquatic animals to move easily in water? So, can you say what are the features of aquatic animals? Right? Can anyone say? So, whatever feature they possess, that is the feature that allow the aquatic animals to move easily in water. Right? So, here what will be the answer? The answer is first one is streamlined body. Yes, they possess it. Next is breathing tube. No. Webbed feet. Yes. Gills. Do they feel? Do they have gills? Yes. No, it is not an adaptation. E. Fins. Yes. So, what are the features that allow? Means what are the adaptations that allow aquatic animals to move easily in water? Right. So, a streamlined body, a webbed feet, and the fins. They allow the aquatic animals to move easily in water. Right. So, here the correct answer is what is here? A, then C, then E. Okay. So correct answer is option B, that is only A, C and E. Right. So let's move to the next question. How are birds adapted for light? Okay. Option A, their body shape. B, smooth waxy feather. C, hollow bones. D, beaks. So what will be the answer? Yes. Why their body is light? Yes. It is flight, adapted for flight. Why their bodies also they feel light, and what is the adaptation for flight? Yes, that is their body shape, that they have a streamlined body, right, which helps them to flight. Then what is the next option? Smooth waxy feather. Is it? Yes, they do possess smooth waxy feather. Next is about the hollow bones. Yes, hollow bones are there. That's why they are light, right? Or lightweighted. And beaks is not an adaptation for flight. Okay. So what are the correct answer? A, B, and C. So A, B, and C, where it is present? It is present in option C. That's why option C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. Next question. Which of the following animals breathe through body holes? So, do you have any idea which animal breathe through body holes? Yes. It is the option A, that is the grasshopper. Okay. This breathe through body holes. These other things, right? This lizard and this prawn, then this rat, they just don't breathe through body holes. Okay. Next, observe the organism below. So we have image of certain organisms. Which of these animals breathe through moist skin? Okay. So which of them breathe through moist skin? Is it a bird? Is it earthworm? Is it lizard? Yes. What will be the answer? Here the correct answer is earthworm and lizard. Okay, these animals, they can breathe through moist skin. So here the correct answer is option C, that is only Q and R. Right? Yes. Next, the bat does not belong to the same group of animals as the other three living things because it does. Okay, so bat is there, right? Other animals are also there, penguin, owl, cock, everything is there. Okay, so what is the criteria that to which the bat does not belong? Why bat is different from this animal? Can you say yes, everyone? If you know the answer, you can write. Okay, so here the answer is C. This cock, it is having feather. Owl, it is also having feather. Penguin also have feather, right? But this bat, it does not have feather. It is a mammal. It is not a bird. It is a mammal. Okay. So as it is a mammal, it possesses hairy skin. Okay. It possesses hairy skin. So what is the correct answer? That is option B. D, that does not have feathers. Right? Next question. Can breathe through its moist and thin skin. Okay, we are talking about an animal that can breathe through its moist and thin skin. It lays egg in water and it can live both on land in water, and the eggs are fertilized externally. So which of the following can organism X be? This is our organism X. Okay, so it lays eggs in water and it can live both on the land and in water, and the eggs, these are fertilized externally. So what may be the answer? Yes. Can you guess? Can you guess? The correct answer is option B, that is frog. We know it lays eggs in water, but the eggs are fertilized externally. They can live both on land and in water, right? So here the correct answer is option B, that is frog. Next question, in what ways are these animals similar? So we have different animals. So they have flippers to help them move in water. They can live both in land and water. They have lungs to breathe in oxygen. So what is the answer? Yes. In what way these animals are similar? They have flippers to help them move in water. Is it? Yes, it is. They can live both in land and water. Yes, this is also correct. They have lungs to breathe in oxygen. This one is also correct. That means all the things are similar, right? So which will be the correct answer? That is option D, 1, 2 and 3. Got it everyone? Yes. Let's move to the next question. Webbed feet is an adaptation in option A, aerial birds, B, reptilian birds, C, aquatic birds, D, ostrich. So do you have any idea? Webbed feet? Yes, webbed feet. It is an adaptation for water, right? Movement in water. So birds which means they live in water. What we call them? Yes, these are the aquatic birds. Got it? Okay, next. Let's move to the last question. An animal swims and has a tail. So an animal, it swims and it has a tail. It also spends its entire life in water. Okay, it spends its entire life in water. It cannot live without water. Cannot live without water. Which is the animal most likely to be? So, yes, can you guess? This one? Bird? No. This one? Polar bear? No. Fish? Yes, it is. It lives means it spends its entire life in water. It cannot live without water, right? And it can means swims, and it has tail, right? And this tortoise, no, it is not. So what is the correct answer here? That is option C, fish. Yes, students. So, this much for our today's session. Let's meet you in the next video with some much more amazing question. And till then, read mindfully. Okay. And bye-bye everyone.